Tell me about your demo.
Well, today we're demoing SenseCam, and this is the device here. It's a wearable camera, so as you can see, you can wear it on a lanyard around your neck, for example, and it's got essentially it's got a camera in it with a wide-angle lens, a fisheye lens. So whenever it takes photos, it captures most of what the wearer can see in front of them. And the other unique thing about SenseCam is it takes photos automatically. So you don't have to actually stop and line it up and press a button. It will automatically take a photo every 30 seconds or so, or possibly in response to the other sensors it has on board, such as a movement detector and a light level sensor.
What kind of people might find this useful?
So that's an interesting question, because we've actually been using this with people who have memory impairments, so people who have been diagnosed with a specific memory condition. Here, we have part of a brain scan of a patient we've been working with, a lady who has amnesia. So she got limbic encephalitis, which is an infection of the brain, back in 2002, and these two regions here, you can see, are actually dead cells in her hippocampus. So she recovered from this infection, but the result is some cell death here. And the upshot of this is she has very marked amnesia. So typically, within 3 to 5 days of a significant event, she just won't remember anything. So we've given her a SenseCam, and she uses that. She wears that during a day when she thinks she's going to experience some things that she will want to remember. And then after that event, later that day, she can look through the images that were captured by this device. And in fact, every couple of days, she looks through the images captured by this device. And so on the next slide here, I have a graph which shows you the blue is what happens when she uses SenseCam. So after day 1, she can remember about 30% of the event. But every couple of days, she's reviewing the images, so her memory of that event increases. And we've compared that with using a written diary, where rather than using SenseCam to record the day, she keeps a written diary and then reviews the diary. And you can see that with SenseCam, her memory improves over time, whereas with the written diary, it stays fairly constant, in fact drops off a bit. But what's really significant is when we use the SenseCam, and we wait a month or we wait 2 months, and then we test her recall, she can still remember nearly everything about that original event. And down here, you can't really see it because it's so small. It's 0. That's what's happened when she uses a written diary. If she uses a written diary but doesn't carry on reviewing the written diary, it drops completely out of her memory. So with SenseCam, she gets a really powerful cue which stimulates her own memory of those events.
Thank you.
Thank you.